United States of America. E pluribus unum. 1 cent. In God we trust. Liberty. 2000 D. Lincoln Memorial Center. Okay? I have information here for the most valuable. Okay, I will read the information. Information I got. Here we go. 2000 D penny value. The 2000 D penny was struck at the Denver Mint in Colorado. That mint places a little D mint mark under the dates of the pennies it strikes. It strikes. There were a total of 8,774,220,000 2000 D pennies made, making them extremely common. Unless you find a 2000 D penny with an error or variety, your 2000 D pennies are worth face value or 1 cent. Some common 2000 D pennies that have no errors or varieties are worth more than face value. Which ones are they? Uncirculated 2000 D pennies, those which have nowhere and have never been spent as money, are worth 10 to 30 cents apiece. Especially nice uncirculated 2000 D pennies are worth far more. The most valuable 2000 D penny ever sold in a public auction was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service for a whopping $2,415.